Now we're going to look at area models, or sometimes called the box method for multiplication. And it's another strategy that you can use to multiply multi-digit numbers. So we're going to use the problem 396 times 54. So for this, you are going to look at the place value behind your numbers. So the number 396, the 3 in the 396 equals 300. So we're going to use 300. The 9 in 396 is equal to 90. And the 6 in 396 is equal to 6 ones. So if you add those together, it's 396. So we're going to use that. And then we're going to look at 54. So the 5 in 54 is equal to 50. And the 4 in 54 is equal to 4 ones. So you can put 54 on either side of your paper, but one has to be on top and one needs to be on one of the sides. Okay? And then you're going to connect it and make it a box. So since there are two numbers on your side, you're going to divide it so you have two boxes. And there are three numbers going across the top, so you're going to divide it into three boxes on the top. So this is why it's the box method or area models. So then you're going to start multiplying your numbers. So 6 and 50 are making up this box. That's where these boxes meet. So 6 times 5 is 30, and then I'm going to add my 0 from 50. In this box right here, it's 6 times 4, and 6 times 4 is 24. Now we're going to move over to 90. So this box is 90 times 50. So 9 times 5 is 45, and then I'm going to add my two zeros, so 4,500. Our next box is 90 times 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. Add my 0 in the 90, so I have 360. Our last column, we have 300 in this box times 50. So 3 times 5 is 15, and then I have 1, 2, 3 zeros to add in. And then our last box is 300 times 4. So 3 times 4 is 12, and add in our two zeros. So 1,200 with my comma here. Now once you have all of your partial products, or the different numbers that add up to give you your total product, you're going to add these together. And you need to be really, really careful that when you're pulling them out of the boxes that you're lining up your place values before you multiply. So I always start with my biggest number first. And your biggest number is always going to be in these first two, because that's where your greatest place values are, because this is 100 times the tens. So I have 15,000, and then I have 1,200, so I'm being careful to line up my place values nice and neat. Now I have 4,500, 360, lining it up with the hundreds, 324. So I had 6 numbers in my boxes, and I'm adding up 6 numbers right here. And then you just add like you would. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 is 4. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 plus 0 plus 2 is 8. 0 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 is 13. 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4 is 11. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. So you put your comma in, and your answer is 21,384. And that is the area model or box method.